How to convert subtitle to text in Premiere Pro. Select the sequence in the project panel, then from Window menu select Text. In the Text panel, click on Create Captions from Transcript button. Set the preferences based on your needs. Here I set maximum length to 60 characters and single line and click on Transcribe and Create Captions. Now Premiere Pro automatically created these captions and added them to a new subtitle track. Now we have the captions, but we can't apply any effects to them. To be able to apply effects to them, first we need to convert them to text layers. Select all of the captions, then from Graphics and Titles menu, select Upgrade Caption to Graphic. And now all the captions are converted to text layers, and here for example we can apply a simple transition between them. In the Effect panel, expand Video Transitions and under Wipe, right-click on any of the transitions and select Set Selected as Default Transition. Now select all the text layers and press Ctrl+D to apply the default transition to all of them.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who had a love for all things creative.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.